Hi everyone, let me show you how to turn on the eye comfort shield on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. You might need this feature if your eyes get tired quickly when you use your phone. So let's go to settings and scroll down to the display settings menu, and here we have this eye comfort shield item. So just toggle this option on, and now it works in an adaptive mode. It means it automatically adjusts to the surrounding conditions, but you can tap on this feature and customize it, so you can adjust the color temperature, make it warmer or make it cooler, and you can schedule this feature. For example, make it on from sunset to sunrise, furthermore depending on your location and time zone, or just set any custom time start and end. Done. That's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.